The Apple International School, Foundation Stage 1. Welcome to Math class. Learning objective. Learners will be able to identify number sense of 1. Learning outcome. Learners are able to apply the knowledge about number 1. Do you remember which number did we learn last time, kids? Yes, it's number 1. Good job. Children, do you like to hear a story of Anne? Can you see, children? This is Anne. Anne wanted to meet her friend in the park. She also wanted to give a gift to her friend. She has a flower in her hand. Yes, can you see a beautiful flower in her hand? How many flowers do you see in her hand? Well done, kids. She has one flower. Good job. Children, can you tell me which dice shows number value for 1? Good job. It's A dice because it has one dot on it. It shows number 1. On her way, she saw a pond and went near the pond and saw frog and fishes. How many frogs are there? Can you tell, children? Yes, good job. There is only one frog in the pond. Let's see how do we represent number 1 using 10 frame. While walking, Anne was tired and so she decided to rest for some time. She saw a tree. She decided to sit under the tree. How many trees can you see, kids? Well done, there is only one tree. Let's see how do we represent 1 using tally marks. Anne was very hungry. She started to look for something to eat and suddenly she saw red apple on the tree. Children, how many red apples did Anne see on the tree? Yes, there is only one red apple. Well done, kids. Now, can you show number 1 on number line? Good job, kids. Now, Anne reached the park and she saw her friend and they all enjoyed well in the park and also gave her friend the flower which he has bought for her. Did you also like this story, kids?
It's Kevin and Sarah. G'day there, Cubs. Are you ready to get your finger out? We're going to learn all about the number 1. Now 1 is just a straight line. Let's try one together. Now start at the top, straight down. And that's the number 1. Let's try another one. Now start at the top, straight down. Good work. Now that's the number 1, but the number 1 also has a word that goes with it. 1. 1 is spelt like this. O-N-E. That's the word 1. So come on, Cubs, get your finger out and let's try a number 1. Let's try another one. Let's try one more number 1. Great work. Now that you know how to write the number 1, let's try and count to the number 1. Let's count 1 dinosaur. Are you ready? 1. 1 dinosaur. Let's try and count 1 pizza. Are you ready? 1. Great job. I can see 4 numbers. Do you know which number is the number 1? Point to it. You're right. That's the number 1. I can see 4 more numbers. Do you know which one is the number 1? Yep, that one up there. That's number 1. I can see 4 new numbers. Do you know which one is number 1? That one down there, that's number 1. We've learnt so much about the number 1. If you'd like to learn about the number 2, you can click on this video just here. Thanks, Finger.
Goodbye.
Are you ready to see the video of number 1? Let's watch together. Thank you kids. See you next time. Bye.